everybody, check this out. A different kind of four-wheeled adventure. Look at all these guys with tractors coming in the road right here. This is just great. Absolutely phenomenal. Look at all these guys. We're in Keystone right now, and these guys just drove up the highway, and they're coming into a parking lot to have lunch right here. Whoa, this is so cool. Look at these old codgers, and young codgers, and wannabe codgers. Oh, this is great. Look at that farm ball right there. And they're still coming. Are you the youngest guy out there? Oh, right on, original paint. Nice. Fantastic. And bringing up the rear. Oh, and there's still more coming. I don't think I got enough film for all this. You guys are gonna get run over in a second. Look at that thing. Haha, there's a J Lightning one right now. Look at the chrome on that puppy. Oh my. I didn't know they fancied up tractors. Phenomenal. Look at this, a Moline. How many of those are in existence, I wonder? I love being in the right place at the right time. Look at all these happy dudes on their toys. Look at this crowd of tractors down here. And they're still coming. Look at this mammoth. Another Moline, Minneapolis Moline. That is a tractor right there. And they're still coming. I hope I got enough video for all this. Oh, they're running out of parking space now. Look at this guy, he's outfitted with a toolbox. That thing's even got the outdrive for the big fat belt on it so he can drive his equipment. Look at that on the side. Man, this is cool stuff. Oh, we're gonna get abused by a truck. Yeah. Okay, the guy with the pink hat must be at the end of the line. They wouldn't let him at the front. What's that signify? You're last in line? That's all right.
What do you think of that guy's spot?
That's what I was looking at. That's look at all you guys having fun out here. I'll be darned. All right, that was the last of them. I'm gonna ride down here and get another couple of pictures of all this right here. Look at all these smiling faces here. Look at all these tractors. This is just fantastic. What a great thing.